Hello, I'm Chloe, a Squarespace designer and educator, and in this video we're going to be looking at how you can add or change the style of your announcement bar in Squarespace 7.1. So as you can see, there's currently no announcement bar on this site. To add one, I'm going to go to Marketing, scroll down under Engagement and select Announcement Bar. Click this little toggle here to enable it, and then I'm just going to type in my call to action. And you can make it bold, italic, underlined, or link it, or you can come to this gear icon here where you can either add a call to action to send an email. You can link it to a web address like a sales page. You can upload a PDF file if you're giving something away or sharing your services guide. A page, so say you wanted to promote your freebie, you could promote your freebie and then link to the page where people can sign up. And if you want to share your phone number, you can do that too. So once you've added that in, just hit save and that will be added. Now let's talk about changing the style. So to change the style, you're going to come into the Design tab, select Site Styles, and you can also access your site styles from any page just when you hit Edit. If you come up to the top right hand corner to this paintbrush, that's going to bring up your site settings as well. So if we start with fonts, we're just going to click on fonts, and all I'm going to do is click on the announcement bar to bring up those settings. And you'll see here I've put in my custom settings. I've changed the family, weight, style, the spacing, but you can come in here and adjust this. Right now you just select customs. By default, it's going to go to paragraphs. So once you've done that, you can come out of there, you can hit done. And then we're just going to do the same with colors. So if we click on the color tab, you'll see it brings up your color palette and your different themed sections. You can see what section you're on just by this little tab up here. So we can see that it's light 1. So we're going to hover over, click the pencil icon to bring up those settings, and you would just click it again if it's not showing. And here you can change the background either to your palette or to a custom color. You can play around with this or paste in a hex code if you wish. And then same with text. Then all you have to do is hit done and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope that you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any more Squarespace questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm here to help in any way that I can. And if you want even more tips on how you can publish, teach, and sell online with Squarespace, consider hitting that subscribe button and clicking the little bell icon so that you can be notified the next time I post a video.